Hello guys, how are you doing? This is Nuer online YouTube channel. Right now I'm about to share with you a very important tips on how you can grow your YouTube subscribers, your Facebook followers, your Twitter's followers, your Instagram followers. You just have to stick up to the end. All we gotta do is that there's a website that we can go into, and that website it is called Kingdom Likes. Without further ado, let's get into the website without wasting your time. So here we go. This is the website. In this website, this is where you can do follow somebody and then you earn some point, and the point that you earn, you are going to buy subscribers or followers on all social platforms. All you gotta do first is register. I'm going to put the link in the description below. If you're somebody who's new right here and it is your first time to access my channel, please, I would like you to help me by subscribing to my channel, and that's how you can support me. So here we go. If you already register in kingdomlux.com, please make sure that you follow this correctly. The first thing that you gotta do is just add your page. You can simply click add page, and all you gotta do when you go to add page, you're gonna see this book right here. Now you go to type. There's this thing called type. Here you can select any social media that you want to use, that the people can follow you or subscribe to. You can see that we have Facebook page likes, where people can like your page. We have Facebook share, where people can share your page. We have Facebook followers and Facebook photos likes, Facebook photo share, and so on. And then again, you can see that we have YouTube views, YouTube like, YouTube dislike, YouTube subscribers, YouTube also, Twitter follow, Twitter tweet, Twitter retweets, Twitter likes, Pinterest follow, and so on and so many more. On this website, it is legit. So let me show you one important thing that you can do. Let me simply go direct into Facebook page like, just like that. So now I already select Facebook page like, or I can simply go direct into my YouTube channel by simply clicking YouTube subscribers. As you can see right now, I already request YouTube subscribers to subscribe to my channel, and then I'm going to use this step. The next thing is to put the name of your site. I can call it gamer. That might be the name that I give to my this is not the name which is related to Facebook, to YouTube. It can be different. You can put in a name. You can even put it 1 2 3 and so on, okay, depending on what you want to put there. But for me, let me simply put game. When I'm done, I go direct into channel URL. Do you know what the channel URL is? If you don't know, please follow this. All you gotta do is go to your channel right now. Let me simply imagine that you are on your YouTube studio right here, like mine. And all you gotta do is that you have to go direct into customization. Just click customization and go to this thing called basic information, and go scroll down up to here, and you are going to see your channel URL. You can see that this is your channel URL. Simply copy this channel and take it back there. So what I'm going to do right now is simply copy this. I copy it and I'm going to take it back to this website called Kingdom Likes, and here I'm going to paste the URL which I already copied from my YouTube channel, and I'm going to paste it there just like that. So this is my channel right now, which is my YouTube channel. And whenever a person is buying subscribers or watching one of when a person subscribes to my channel, that person will simply click the link and goes direct into my channel and subscribe. And then what I'm going to do later is by simply earning some point from others YouTubers as well, and then those points I will use them to buy subscribers as well. So here was what we're gonna do. We are going to change something here. Please do not change this total clicks, okay? Daily click, just leave it the way it is. All you gotta do right here, or you can even set it, maybe 20 subscriber a day, 30 subscriber a day, as long as you get all the requirement, as long as you have a good earning point that you can buy subscriber with, you are good to go. And what we're gonna do right here, here is what we will do. You go to this thing called CPS. It is cost per click. How many point that you in can earn you subscribers? Let me simply click this thing. Okay, the others 4 is for VIP, 5 is for VIP, 6, 7, 8, 9 up to 11 they are for VIP. If you have 11, which means that when you want anybody to subscribe to you, it means that you cannot use 11 because that one is for VIP. And what I'm gonna do right now is simply click 13. So whenever I have followers, I have any 13 point, I can be able to get one subscriber here. So all I gotta do right now is simply submit this information. So this is what will happen. Let's just imagine we have 13 right now. I will simply refresh that, as you can see from the system, and I will go direct into my channel right here. I will show you what will happen next. Let's simply imagine that I have 5,563 right now. Let me simply do this. This is 5,563, and remember, under my kingdom likes, I have only 50 points. Let's see if somebody can subscribe immediately. So while we are waiting, I'm gonna subscribe to others YouTubes as well. So all I gotta do is this, okay? For you, all you gotta do right now is simply go direct into all the social media platform. You can select any of these. All right, so what I'm gonna do right here, let me simply remove this, will not be active. I only need this two channels to run right now. So here is what we're going to do. I will simply use subscriber. I'm going to subscribe to other YouTubers. So I can come down here. As you can see, we have this guy. It says that if you subscribe to my channel, you will earn 10 points. And this is what I'm going to do. Because I set 13 point to be for one subscriber. And remember, I have 50 there. How many subscribers can I gain in 15? For 50. So let me simply like this. So this is what you're gonna do. You have to wait for the screen to pop up and see the subscribe button, and then you can subscribe as well. So this is what we're gonna do. Okay, now it says that please subscribe. I'm gonna move this thing because I do not want to show up. So I'm gonna simply subscribe. It says subscribe. You can see the subscription added. So what I'm gonna do next is close it, and we are going to see what will happen. It say no. All right, so it means that this is not correct. The person that I tried to subscribe to his channel, it means that I did not. So, oh, look, it is already said 7. How many subscribers do I have? I told you before, I have around 5,563. We're going to see what happened. So let me go direct into my channel right now. What in fact did we make so far? Because we have 50, okay, 50 points. Let me simply refresh it. It is 63 right now. We are going to see if somebody subscribed to our channel. Whoa, we got 2. I think you've seen that. There's no fake things on this. This is legit. All you gotta do is simply goes direct to that. Let's say I'm going to skip this guy right here because this guy, I already subscribed to him, and it say that it is not allowed. So I will simply go again and do the subscription again. So this thing, this side is legit, guys. Simply goes there, grab it right now, register, and do subscribers. So subscribe, and then now close. So let's see what will happen. I have 37. It will be 47 if it, yep, right there. You can see that it already ticked that. It is 34 right now. Let me refresh it, and what will happen? So this size is legit, guys. Just grab it right now. Go there, do subscribing, subscribe to the people, and they will subscribe to you back. But remember, there is a disadvantage for this, and I will share it with you because you are very important to me. You are not my fan, you are my family. So all I gotta do that I will tell you. So the worst part on this sub thing is when people subscribe to you, the subscribe will not show, okay, or they will go away in the end of the day. Do you know why? It's because it needs people to watch your video in order for those subscribers to remain there. But if you keep on doing subscribers every day, I'm telling you, your subscribe will not decrease. But if you stop trying subscribing to other people, even your channel subscribe will decrease. So you keep on subscribing. I'm going to skip this thing again. So I have 34 right here. Let's see if there's other people that will subscribe to my channel again. I'm going to subscribe to this channel as well. So remember, we reached 65 already. So let's wait. Okay, I'm going to subscribe to this channel right here called Silvio11. Subscribe. Then there I will close this, and I'm going to see whether it is legit or not. So yep, now it's cool. So when you subscribe to somebody, or if that channel refuses you to subscribe to, simply skip it. But I'm not going to do that because I already have, it said 18, which means that people are subscribing. As I am subscribing to them, they're also subscribing me. They are subscribing to my channel. So I think this is a good way that you can use to increase your YouTubers. So here I already subscribed to this dude. Let me simply close it. So let's see what will happen next. Okay, yep, right there we have 18 points, now 28. So let me refresh it and goes direct into my channel. This is a live updates, guys. Let me refresh it and we're gonna see 65. What will happen next? 65, remember, 65. Oh my god, that is 67. This is legit, guys. Simply try to go to the website called kingdomlikes.com. Thank you guys for watching. God bless you as you are looking forward to reach to more people, or how you are eager to learn how to increase your YouTube subscribers, your YouTube watch hours. And look, the last tip that I want to give you right now, if you're somebody looking for a way to get watch hour, please simply go to ad page. Okay, this is the last tip that I will share with you right now. All you gotta do, go to that site, just simply go down here and go to YouTube views. Okay, this one, views. So under YouTube view, you are going to see this. All right, this thing. It said 6 point is around 1 up to 10 minutes. Okay, to do that. So these are the policy. So all you gotta do is that fill in this and then goes direct into click per second, and then you select what you want to do for those who are going to view your your YouTube video. So this is how you can gain watch out. This is legit, guy. It is legit, 100% working. Just simply just good luck. That's what I can say. So may God bless you on your ways forward. Bye bye, and do not forget please to subscribe to my channel. And also, if you find this video useful, please try to recommend it also to other people. Thank you for watching, guys. God bless you. Bye bye.